Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'll be shaving my face today. I've actually wanted to do this a long time after watching Sarah's video. If you don't know who Sarah is my girl, Sarah Kayola. I watched her video. I watched the main video and then I watched the part 2, and I've always wanted to try this out. My skin is not the best. I don't know if I'm excited or I don't know. I'm actually happy to try something new. Yes, 2021, the goal is to actually glow. So we're gonna do things, you know, that will take us further to that goal, you know. I don't think I'll consider myself hairy. I don't think so. But then, I don't think I have that much hair, but we're going to find out today. So the first thing she did was pick some hair. She just looked for hair that is a bit thicker. So let's see. I don't really have that much hair on my face, and I also don't really shave my brows. I kind of either twist them or just thread them. Okay, this one is out of place. Gotta go. My brows are so full, like, stresses me out sometimes. I don't really have that much. I thought I packed this hair. Why are they coming out? I packed them this way so they don't have to stress me out. Okay, calm down, Trish. Calm down. Okay, I'll be using this, and yeah. So the first thing I'll do is clean my face. I've not done anything to my face this morning. I'm going to use this. This is my favorite wipes, guys. I've tried using others. They end up burning my face. Most of the wipes, they have like alcohol, and I don't like them because I don't know, I don't think my skin is sensitive. I just think like I just don't like it. But this one is very mild, like it's mild. I'm just going to take one out. I'll be looking here because my mirror is here, so yeah. So the reason I put my mirror here is because I don't want to hold it and, you know, shave my face. I also watched another video, and one other tip is you have to like kind of drag the skin upward to make it lighter so you can shave it easily. After cleaning my face, I'm going to apply oil, but I'm not going to actually apply oil all over my face. I'll just, you know, apply on this part of my face, shave it, and then I'll apply on this part because I want to see the difference. So the first thing I'm going to do now is show you guys my face before. Let me zoom in a bit. This is not easy, guys. Like, I'm literally coming to you guys with all my imperfection.
Anytime I see I run, I me say I walk one. She tell me, boy, please don't come too close, wahala.
This is disposable, so you don't even need to use it twice. Guys, I have to be really careful so I don't cut myself. What?
It's the weekend, we dance all night. For your love, I go stand and fight. Melanin, feminine, you know you are the prize. It's the weekend, we dance all night. Sipping juice, say you are a star. Melanin, heavenly body, you are the shine.
At the beginning of this video, I said I don't think I have that much hair on my face. Just look at this. You guys, look at this. So I'm going to clean this part. Just look at, I never would have thought that I have this much hair on my face. My skin feels so soft. What? Wow, I'm actually impressed. Like, why did I not do this thing? and yeah, I don't need much, I just need little. You have to be careful because I have tiny pimples. This thing is so sharp. Honestly, when Sarah said it's sharp, she wasn't joking.
My love, I go give you abundance. Baby, this your body, they leave me unconscious. Say you don't even know. Say you don't even mean any damage. Please, please, calling on your phone like beep, beep. Only girl I wanna keep. Say you don't.
My skin feels so soft. Honestly, guys, my skin feels so soft. I'm not even joking. Like, this thing is disposable. Please do not use it twice. When I mean don't use it twice, I mean like don't use it today and keep it, then use it again. No, please kindly dispose it. It's actually affordable. I'm just saying this just in case you decide to, you know, shave your face too. But I got 3 of them. It's in the pack. I got 3 of them for 600 naira. I'm going to go ahead and clean my face.
You don't even know. Say you don't even mean any damage.
I'm not even playing, like my face feels really soft. I'm not playing. This is the part I don't like. This is the part I don't like.
For the girl. One more time, run the back on no fear. Fat figures, now in my guys to spend.
So this is the after. I'm going to wash my face with water, then I will be back. Okay, I just finished washing my face. I've not done anything. I've not even cleaned it. And please, I used cold water. I'm going to go ahead and use this to clean it. I've not cleaned it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You carry me when some carry their God. Guys, who is this? Wow, my skin feels so freaking soft. I'm not even joking. Like, my skin feels so soft. You guys, are you hearing that? So this is the after. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and see you guys in my next video. Remember, the goal in 2021 is glowing, making more money, and living a stress-free life.